Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to make baby tuna. Well, not baby tuna, I call it baby tuna, but it's actually Milo. You need some Milo, like it's so it's just like Milo crushed chocolate, I call it. And then you need a cup, you need some milk, any type of milk you want to use. You need a spoon, and you need a straw if you want. You don't actually have to. So first you just grab your bottle, you open the lid up, you grab one full spoon of Milo dust, you put it in your bottle, then you grab your milk, you pour it in your bottle wherever you want it to be. Then you're gonna put the milk where it pours. And then you're gonna put this in the microwave for 1 minute. There you go. And then you wait. Statue. Statue, Kiki, statue. I'm going to put this stuff away. And the last things you need is just your spoon and your straw. And now we wait. And you grab it out of there. I said if you want a straw, you can have a straw, you don't have to. You put your spoon inside, then I want to put a straw, and then you put your straw inside. And that's how you make some Milo. You can use any type of bottle you want. Get out. And thanks for watching.